Go home happy with the 2015 Chevrolet Traverse. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Answer the call for adventure in comfort and style in the bold, spacious Traverse. Its quiet cabin, flexible cargo storage, safety features, connectivity, and all-weather capabilities infuse every drive with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, third row seat, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows. Stay calm, traverse on. Take a test drive.